Another day, another story. Turkey, not just a delicious holiday dish, but also a fascinating country with a rich history and vibrant culture. Here are the top 10 facts about Turkey. Number 1. Transcontinental Charm. Turkey is a unique country that spans two continents, Europe and Asia. Istanbul, its largest city, is the only city in the world located on two continents, separated by the Bosphorus Strait. Number 2. Ancient Anatolia. Turkey is home to some of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. It boasts the ancient city of Troy, Ephesus, and Hierapolis, making it a treasure trove for history enthusiasts. Number 3. Cultural melting pot. Turkey's cultural heritage is a blend of various civilizations, including Hittite, Phrygian, Urartian, Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman. This mix is evident in its art, architecture, and cuisine. Number 4. Hagia Sophia. One of the most iconic landmarks in Turkey is the Hagia Sophia in Istanbul. Originally a cathedral, it later became a mosque and is now a museum, representing a blend of religious histories. Number 5. Turkish Delight. Turkish cuisine is renowned for its diverse and delectable dishes. Kebabs, baklava, and Turkish Delight are just a few of the culinary delights that have captured the hearts of food lovers worldwide. Number 6. Whirling Dervishes. Turkey is the birthplace of the mystical Mevlevi order, known for their distinctive Sufi dance called the Whirling Dervishes. This spiritual practice is a captivating sight for visitors. Number 7. Unique underground cities. Cappadocia, in central Turkey, is famous for its otherworldly landscapes and ancient underground cities carved into the soft volcanic rock. These cities were once used as shelters during times of conflict. Number 8. Turkish Hospitality. Turks are renowned for their warm and generous hospitality. Visitors are often greeted with open arms and offered tea, a sign of traditional Turkish hospitality. Number 9. Turkish Baths. Hammams, or Turkish baths, are an integral part of the culture. These historic bathing and cleansing rituals are a relaxing experience for both locals and tourists. Number 10. Mount Ararat. Turkey is home to Mount Ararat, which is believed by some to be the final resting place of Noah's Ark, according to biblical accounts. Turkey's unique blend of history, culture, and geography makes it a captivating destination for travelers seeking both ancient wonders and modern marvels. Whether you are exploring its archaeological treasures or indulging in its mouth-watering cuisine, Turkey has something to offer everyone. Thanks for watching.